The power of believing again. Many people stop believing after disappointment, loss, or repeated setbacks. When belief fades, hope shrinks and motivation weakens, making it harder to move forward. Believing again is not about ignoring reality. It is about reopening yourself to possibility and trusting that growth and change are still possible. I have learned that rebuilding belief is a choice I make, especially after things do not go as planned. Each time I allow myself to believe again, I regain energy and direction. For me, believing again has meant learning from the past without letting it define my future and giving myself permission to hope. Action steps. Identify one area of your life where you have stopped believing in yourself or the outcome. Reflect on what led to that loss of belief and what you have learned since then. This week, take one small step that signals belief in yourself or your future and notice how it shifts your mindset. If you would like support in rebuilding belief and moving forward with confidence, feel free to book a coaching or counseling session with me.